Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my virtual classroom. This is Maestro Mati, your science teacher of the day. But before we will go on to our lesson, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and turn on your notifications. Our lesson for the day is homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. But we will discuss first homogeneous mixture. Every day, we are using different substances without even noticing them. These substances can be in solid, liquid, or gaseous form. Many of these substances are combined together to form beneficial mixtures. This lesson helps you learn the concept of identifying homogeneous mixture and its beneficial contribution to our daily activities. As we go on our lesson, let us do the first activity, entitled Remember Me. All we have to do is to rearrange the jumbled letters to form the concept learned in the previous lessons or in your science grade 5 through context clue. You will just write your answer in your activity notebook. The first word is about anything around us that occupies space and has mass. Who can remember this concept? Very good. Matter. Next, it is the smallest particle of a substance. Can you still remember this one? Bravo! It's molecule. Another is the basic unit of matter. Who can remember this one? Excellent! It's an atom. Next word is made up of one kind of atom. Can you still remember this? Very good! It's an element. Another consists of two or more substances that are mixed or physically combined. Can you remember this concept? Excellent! It's a mixture. Now, can you still recall the definition of mixture? A mixture is a combination of two or more substances where there is no chemical combination or reaction. Mixtures combine physically on no specific proportion. They just mix. Solids, liquids, and gases can be combined to create a mixture. There are two major types of mixture. We have the homogeneous mixture or uniform mixture and the heterogeneous mixture or otherwise known as non-uniform mixture. But as we continue our lesson, let us do this activity entitled Quench Your Thirst. Sunny days would make you feel warm and thirsty. Then, you begin to think of something to quench or satisfy your thirst by preparing something like the pictures being shown on the next. Picture A is a mixture of sweet tea and picture B is a pineapple juice. Can you tell what happens to solid particles or components in the picture A and B when they are mixed with water together? Let us find the answer as we go on to our Okay, let us do another activity entitled Mixture of Solid and Liquid Substances. We have to study the pair of materials listed in the table, then tell whether the paired materials can be recognized or not by checking the appropriate column in the table. Record your answer in your activity notebook. Note that number 1 has been done for you. So this is the table of mixture and solid and liquid substances. The first one, the mixture of flour and mixed nuts. Their components can be still recognized. How about the next one? Nesty powdered juice and water. If they are mixed together, can we still recognize the component of the misty powdered juice? Very good. We cannot recognize it anymore because the powdered juice will be completely mixed with water. Next is rice and small stone. If they are mixed together, can we still recognize the components? Very good. We can still recognize the components, especially the small stones. Another mixture of pineapple juice powder and water. If they are mixed together, can we still recognize the component of the powdered juice? Okay, very good. We cannot recognize the component of pineapple juice powder because it completely mixed with water. How about the next one? Assorted chocolates and candies. Excellent. We can still recognize the components of assorted chocolate and candies. How about the instant coffee, sugar, creamer, and water? Can we still recognize the components? Not anymore. Why? Because coffee, sugar, and creamer can completely dissolve or mix with water. So only the liquid component of the mixture can be recognized. Okay, I have here 2 questions for you to answer. Which pair or combination of substances has recognizable components? And next, which pair of substances remain the same all throughout? So we will find the answer as we continue to our lesson. A combination of 2 or more distinct particles or substances is called mixture. It can be classified as homogeneous mixture or heterogeneous mixture depending on the appearance of the resulting mixture. For activity 3, mixed substances can be classified depending on the appearance of the resulting mixture. Some solids mixed with liquid cannot recognize or distinguish after mixing. The mixture looks the same all throughout. This is called homogeneous mixture. Can you define homogeneous mixture? A homogeneous mixture is a mixture that has a uniform composition throughout. This means that you can only see one component of the mixture. It could be in the liquid or solid form. In homogeneous mixture, only one phase is seen or visible after mixing the different components of the mixture. The characteristics of homogeneous mixture are: it has uniform composition. The particles of the mixture are not visible in the naked eye. The particles cannot be separated by filtration. The mixtures are stable. The particles do not settle down. Why? Because they are completely mixed together. The next, the path of a beam of light is not visible in the mixture. Examples are mixture of sugar and water, mixture of salt in water, air. Air is a mixture because it is a combination of oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. Another is sweet tea and orange juice. Okay, these are the example of homogeneous mixture. A mixture of sugar and water and salt and water. Another examples are air, sweet tea, and orange juice. For us to know better about homogeneous mixture, let us do activity number 4. All you have to do is to analyze carefully each given mixture. Write a symbol of a happy face on the space if it is a homogeneous mixture and a sad face if it is not. Write your answer in your activity notebook. Number 1, pizza. Number 2, alcohol. Number 3, garbage. Number 4, sugar. 5, soy sauce. 6, mixed nuts. 7, pineapple juice. 8, pinakbet. And number 9, hamburger. And number 10, soft drinks. Which of these are homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture? So number 1, number 3, number 6, 7, and 8 are sad face, and 2, 4, 5, 7, and 10 are happy face, means they are homogeneous mixture. Another activity, homogeneous mixture at home. We have to list down 5 materials or substances commonly used in your home. Identify those which are homogeneous mixture. Tell its benefits or importance. Observe proper precautionary measures when using or handling any of the household materials. Do this in your activity notebook. Again, number 1 has been done for you. So number 1 is ethyl alcohol. Its uses or importance: it kills germs, virus, and bacteria. So another, we have orange juice. It can help to keep body healthy because we can get vitamin C from orange juice. Another is a mixture of sugar and water. It helps provide energy during physical activity. Another is soy sauce. It serves as ingredient in cooking. And another is vinegar. It helps in food preparation and preservation. So what you have learned from the lesson? You have to fill in the blank with the correct word to complete the concept learned. Choose the correct word from the box. So you have to answer the blank space. So the answers are: I have learned that a homogeneous mixture is a mixture that has uniform composition throughout. It could be in liquid or solid form. Only one phase is seen or visible after mixing the different components together. So that is the concept about homogeneous mixture. Now we will move on to heterogeneous mixture. Are you fond of eating fruit salad? Or tried eating halo-halo on sunny days? How about tinola with malunggay as viand? The mentioned foods are example of heterogeneous mixture. Okay, let us analyze the picture. What can you see in the picture? Very good. Isn't this food delicious? Okay, fruit salad is prepared through mixing different fruits with condensed milk. This is an example of heterogeneous mixture. If you are asked to make your own fruit salad, what fruits are you going to mix? Okay, very good. So let's have activity 2.1. Preparing heterogeneous mixture. You have to read the directions carefully, then answer the question. Write your answer in your activity notebook. So we have to prepare a spoonful of oil, a spoonful of soy sauce, and a clear glass. Another is a scoop of soil, a scoop of pebbles or small stones, and a clear container. Take note that ask the assistance from adults in handling mixture to avoid accidents. So first, put the toyo or the soy sauce in the clear glass. Then, add the oil to the soy sauce. Can you identify the soy sauce? Okay, very good. How about the oil? Can you still identify the oil? Then next, mix the soil and small stones in a clear container. Examine closely the mixture. Can you identify the soil? Yes or no? Very good. Another, can you identify the small stone? Okay, very good. In activity 2.1, you have prepared a heterogeneous mixture by combining soy sauce and oil, soil and pebbles. Have you identified the soy sauce? How about the oil? Have you identified the small stones from the soil after mixing it? If your answers are yes, then you got the activity right. Because heterogeneous mixture is a mixture that does not have uniform composition. The individual substances or the components in a heterogeneous mixture can be identified or recognized and are all visible. Some examples are fruit salad, halo-halo, air with clouds, sand and gravel, stone, mix and paper, mix, stone mixed with paper clips, and water mixed with oil. Soil is also example of heterogeneous mixture because you can identify the components such as rocks and decayed plants and animals. Can you think of other examples of heterogeneous mixture? Very good. Okay, now, these are the characteristics of heterogeneous mixture. First, it has a non-uniform composition. This means that you can see different components of the mixture visible on the naked eye. Another, the particles can be separated by filtration or by mechanical means. Another, the mixture are unstable. The particles settle down. The path of beam of light is visible in the mixture. Example of heterogeneous mixtures are mixture of salt and sand, mixture of oil and water, fruit salad, milk and cereals, and pizza. So these are the examples of heterogeneous mixture. We have here granite. As you can see, we can recognize the different components that are mixed in granite. Another, mallows and candies, and oil and water. So we can see the component of oil and water in the mixture as well as the mallows and candies. Okay, so what you have learned from the lesson? We have to answer and fill in the blanks with the correct answer. A mixture is a blank of two or more substances. Blank mixture is a mixture that does not have uniform composition. The individual substances or components can be blank or recognized and are all blank. One example of heterogeneous mixture is blank. So the answer. Okay, so here are the answers in the activity. Mixture is a combination of two or more substances. Heterogeneous mixture is a mixture that does not have a uniform composition. The individual substances or the components can be identified or recognized and are all visible. One example of heterogeneous mixture is fruit salad. So with that, our references for the lessons are Science Grade 6 Alternative Delivery Mode, Department of Education, Module 1, Quarter 1, First Edition 2020. So we have BEAM or BEAM. Another is module. And preparation of mixtures retrieved from LRMDS at deped.gov.ph. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.